Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of invest. Spend money in the hope of making a profit. You can do this by investing it in financial plans, shares or property, or using it to start a business venture. For example, the company is to invest $12 million in its new manufacturing site. The second definition of invest. Give or endow something with a certain quality or attribute. For example, the passage of time has invested the words with an unintended humor. American pronunciation. Invest. Invest. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Invest. Say. Invest. Invest means, put money into something in hope of making profit. Invest. Invest. Invest origin. Mid-16th century, in the senses, clothe with insignias of a rank, and endow with authority. They are French investire, Latin investire, Italian investire as the influence on invest sense 1. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Insurance companies make profits by investing the income from premiums. Now, repeat after me. Insurance companies make profits by investing the income from premiums. The second practice. The university has 5 primary groups of funds that are separately invested. Now, repeat after me. The university has 5 primary groups of funds that are separately invested.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.